So there are basically 3 to 4 ways you can add images to PIXELLAB. But if you don't do this carefully, if you don't do it the right way, you mess up your design and you are going to give yourself hard time. This is what we are going to be teaching in this session. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to J4P Marketers. We are a Lagos-based halal digital marketing agency. We help clients grow their businesses online. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Click the notification bell and please drop a comment in one of our videos. Thank you. There are basically 4 to 5 ways you can add images to PIXELLAB. Some will work as background, some will work as overlaid image. So if you don't know which one to choose, if you go and be choosing one for another one, then you see yourself going into trouble when you start designing. There is a reason why this is very, very important for you to know. There are many mistakes you can make if you don't take them right. So, but the first one we're going to be starting with is the one with the plus sign. Just click on the plus icon and click on from gallery. So you have to import from your gallery. So let me choose one image now. Let me look for one image to choose. Okay, I like this one. Let me go for this. So now we import this. You can see it straight away. You can decide to change a ratio. So this is basically how it is. You can decide to change the shape of the cropping. This stage is basically for you to crop it. So when you click on this and then you click on select as save, you get to see it as overlay. You can edit this image. You can see this is one way of adding image in PIXELLAB. You can edit it as you like with the tool here. You can see the tools for you to edit. Fine, this is good. Now let's move to the second one. The second method is for you to click on the hexagon icon at the center there. Then you'll be displayed. You see the option for you to add the image. When you click on that, the same thing again. Let's choose one that we love. I love this. Let's choose this. So you can see the same pattern. It gives you the same thing, the same vibes. You can see yourself just doing the same thing. Now let's go to the third one. For you to do the third one, you have to click on this icon here, then choose from gallery, then you click on the one you want. Now this one goes a different way. You can see a different thing there, some additional information. That's the ratio, the size of the image. So if you click the box, you'll be using the actual ratio of the image you downloaded in your file. So now the thing about this one is you don't get to work on the image. You are working on it as a background. So it's basically like a background for you. So you cannot do anything on it except you want to just change the color like this and things like that. So you cannot really move it around. You can't do anything much about it. So it's like a background, permanent background. So moving on to the next one. The next one is you to get a background from camera. So you just need to click on the camera icon here. Then you'll be able to snap picture right away. So you can use this picture to do your background. So it's like a live feed. You don't have to be looking for picture left, right. So this also gives you the vibe of you are using it as a ratio. You are using it as a background, as a permanent background. So you can see you can't really do anything much about it. So if you know you want to move the picture around, you don't use the camera. Don't use the camera. Use the other type that will give you the ability to be able to work on it. So you can add a layer. You can see like I'm adding a layer to it right now. So I want to add a layer. Just put a shape, widen it, and then put the color, and then reduce the opacity. It gives me a layer, so I can use it as a background. Change the color as I like. Because this is all about creativity. It's not really about any other thing. You just try to be creative with it. Try and bring backgrounds from different backgrounds that you cannot design, or you don't want to design, or you don't want to waste your time on. Just basically do this like this. You can even go ahead, try to make it more fine, like I'm going to do right now. I'm going to add some vibes, and you can add a text. You see, we'll add a text to it to make it give us that vibe. So I'm going to put a text right now for you to see how it is. Of course, like I always do more than myself, I will go further and then try to put a text, which is, let's see how to add image in PIXELLAB. So let's use this. Then we can just adjust it, try and change the font also at the same time. Adjust, make it bigger, make it bigger. This is more like resizing without going to the sizing tool. So do like this. Then let's put the font, let's make it look fine a little bit at least. Let's give ourselves some vibes. So put it here, put the font. So let me look for a good font. Which one will I choose now? Okay, let's go. I choose this one. It's not making sense. Let me choose this one. Nothing. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I think we'll see a fine one now. This is better. So adjust it. You can basically use this for your social media graphic designing, and it's going to be very, very lovely. You're going to love it. So just save, export. Always export with PNG and then Ultra. Then you save it. That's basically everything about how to add image to PIXELLAB. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and put on the notification bell.